I was healed again. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Elise and today it's Sunday and we all know what that means. That means Sunday reset, Sunday glow up, Sunday get ready for the week ahead. All the Sundays. It's currently 2 p.m. I have a lot of school stuff to do. I want to do some self-care, do some stretching, some journaling, some reading. Anyways, it's all the good stuff. That's what I'm gonna show you guys. First thing I gotta do is I have some clothes. How do I point? Okay, what the fuck? There. That my mom washed, and I'm just gonna quickly put it back in the drawers. So let's do that before anything else. Guys, tell me how I started school last week and I still have multiple tests and things I need to study. I guess senior year is no joke. But anyways, I want to read for my test that I have tomorrow. It's an English test. It's not very hard. I need to get a little bit of a refresh on it because it's like, it has been a couple of months, you know. So I'm going to start with that. I want to read chemistry. I want to read my math notes, physics notes. I feel like there was something else, but I think that's already a good start. So yeah, let's do that in order to feel like the mind is refreshed for the week, you know? Refreshed on the topics that I gotta know. Okay, gotta stop talking and start doing. Let's go. What? Where did K even come from? He just invented a thing, right? I'm done with schoolwork. It took me 2 hours, but I'm done. So that's very, very nice. But now it's time to prep my school bag. You know, it's Sunday, you wanna make sure I have everything, at least the first day of the week. I don't even remember what topics I have tomorrow. English, that's for sure. I think I have math, and I think I have chemistry. I'm really hoping this is right though. I really missed having like a routine like that, going to school, but still I feel like I need a reset. I need a week reset, you know? And you know what needs a reset? My nails. Guys, oh my God. Is this even allowed? Is this even allowed? This shouldn't be allowed. Okay, so y'all know what I'm gonna do now. Let's get it. You okay? I am in the bathroom and I will do my nails. Okay, what color should I do? I found the color. I really like this one. I don't know where it's from. But mommy's also in the bathroom. She's also doing her nails. So that's the sound that you hear. Hello. She's actually really good at making her nails. I didn't know she was this good. What are y'all thinking about the color? I like it. Is it just me that loves the smell of nail polish? I love it. Look at her. She's like an expert. When did you get this good, Mom? Long time ago. This isn't it, because apparently this isn't a color, it's like a base, which I saw, but I just thought that maybe it would be pretty just like that, but it's not, so I'm gonna have something else on top. I found this one. I really like it. Let's do this. I always do just like colors like this. I love the fact that you can actually do them yourself. That's powerful. Woman power. There you go, they're done. They're really like clean. I like them. They're actually really pretty. Thank you. Okay, how many hours does this take? Well, when it didn't take two, but I had to have 2 goes because I put on like a product that wasn't good and that fucked it all up, to be honest. And then, but this time it took like 10 minutes, I think. They're really pretty. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you. Okay, guys, we're on a little Sunday evening walk. The dog, you can film the dog. Let's go. Hey again, it's me again. It's time for a little bit of self-care. Getting ready for bed, you know? It's currently 10:08. Can you say that in English? I guess you can. And I'm gonna do a little bit of a little face mask, basically. Honestly, I'm just so happy about my day. Like, it was sunny outside. I got to work for school. I got to go on a run also this morning, which felt really good. I have to be honest though with y'all. I went on a run yesterday as well. And it wasn't planned to go on a run this morning. Really not planned. And I just did it because I thought, oh, why not? I mean, first, the reason why I started running is because on Tuesday, I have to run with my school 8 kilometers. And I used to be a runner, but I haven't ran in like 2 years. So yesterday I ran 8 kilometers. I ran again today, but I think I pushed a little bit too hard on that one knee. And I got a really bad knee pain, and it got really bad towards like the end of the afternoon. But then I asked ChatGPT what to do, and it told me to sit with my knee up and put on some ice. And I did both of them, and guys, I swear, 1 hour later, I was healed again. Like, I was healed again. I'm so happy, so happy. I'm so happy. And I swear, that 1 hour when I couldn't stand, and I was like, shit, I can't walk. I was feeling so grateful for how healthy I usually am. Getting a little bit of pain really humbles you a lot. I'm gonna use this little face mask now. As you can see, it's quite empty, so I'm really gonna get the most out of it. Will I even get anything out? Let's try. Okay, you won. 1-0. This one ain't empty. Plus, this one really smells good. In case y'all wanted to know, it's from Avril. Anyways, I'm gonna be so I'm gonna be so fresh for a new week. It's like supernatural. This love's possessing me, but I don't mind at all. It's like supernatural. It's taken over me. While I'll let this sit, I'm gonna do some reading and some journaling. Ending off the week strong and starting off a new week even stronger.